Clean code is not always the best code. In fact, it can cost your team more time and energy to fix later on, especially as the code base grows larger and larger. And in this video, I will show a very simple example of what can happen if you get too modular with your code. My name is Hakeem the Dream, and my mission is to help you land your dream role in web development. So let's begin. In this example, we have a get eligibility function here, which simply calls a bunch of other functions. So get age, get location, get name, does some sort of logic and returns to us a response. Now, a common problem that I've seen is too modular of an approach. So in this situation, it's not so bad because it's a very small app or very small code base, and we have a utility folder here which contains each function separately. Now, one small improvement we could do is to have a simple index file. So we could have like an index.txt, and then we do export all from, and then we can export each function from this file. So get name, do it again, and do it again. And then when we go to import in here, instead of having these individual imports, we can just have a singular import. So get age, get location from utils. So that's one way we can make our code a little bit better. But I think there's an even better way to do this, and it's simply keeping these functions in the same file. So instead of having these imports, why not just include them in the same file? So we just have our function here, for example, and we can remove it from here and do the same for the others. So let's import these. And let's get location. Cool, now we can get rid of this. Now we have 0 imports in here. If I'm a new developer coming to your app and I have no context as to what's happening, all I need to do is take one look at this file and I can see exactly what this function depends on and what it returns. So it makes other developers more collaborative by making your code less modular and more verbose by keeping everything in one singular file. I know this seems very simple, but simple is always best. You don't want to get too modular with your code. As the code base grows larger and larger and you have a million different imports, it makes it much harder for new developers to come in and understand what's happening in your app. Let me know in the comments below if you've experienced something similar where the code was too modular and you had no idea where all these functions and methods were coming from, and something like this could have saved you a lot more time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.